guys, good afternoon. It's around 12. So today I woke up in the garden, so there were no lights, so my phone was dying, so I didn't shoot the part of garden work. So I'm starting here with it's time I want to do my house course, because I was doing some cleaning the garden. You guys, I want to plant again. So yeah, I'm starting with cleaning that electric cooker over there, guys. Here, since I cooked with it last night, I didn't clean it, because in the morning I just woke up and prepared my kid to school, and then I left everything there and I went to the garden, guys. So I'm just going to use that gas cleaner tropical brand to just shine it on top, and then guys, I'm going to start my day here. So my day is starting in the afternoon, that is 12 p.m. So I just want to boil water over there, guys. Here, if you follow me, you know that we got it was rainy day. We stored our drinking water, so I usually boil that rainy drinking water. Yeah, every morning I make sure I boil like 2 pots, and then later I went to make the bed. Yeah, so that duvet cover I got it from BM collection. Yeah, so I decided to make to just refresh the bed. I love that duvet cover. For the duvet cover plug, you can get it from Betty Mweni. She's Betty Mweni in YouTube and B&M collection in Instagram. Yeah, they are very affordable, guys. Yeah, so that is how the bed is looking beautiful. And then I want to start. Yeah, I feel very sweaty from the garden, so I just want to refreshen up. Today I want to do my skincare. Yeah, I will scrub my face, you guys, and then I'm going to make the day just make me feel fresh. So those are the products that I usually use when I shower. So no more talking, just see what I did this day. So I'm taking a shower over there, and then I'm going to use that face scrubber, that is Sudoso apricot, and then I'm going to use that Blue King body wash coconut. Yeah, made of coconut. And guys, I'm done. So that is how I'm looking after a deep skincare routine, guys. So I'm feeling fresh to start my day, and I'm going to use that aloe vera moisturizer only for my face. That is just a simple skincare that I usually do every day, you guys. Here, so yeah, if you are new, my name is Adija. I'm a mom of 3. I does content basically on homemaking. So if you are new, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always supporting my content. And if you are new, consider subscribing, hit the notification button, so that when I post a video on Tuesdays and on Fridays, you are the first one to be notified, guys. So that is how my day has started at 12 p.m. So yeah. So guys, hope you are going to enjoy. Give this video a like, leave a positive comment, tell me what you think about this today's vlog. So no more talking, just see what I did.
open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
So guys, today is just all about my homemaking vlog, cleaning, doing everything. It's just an endless to-do list, you guys. I'm telling you, without a nanny, it's not just a walk in the park. You should work like a donkey, no resting, no what. Yeah, but sometimes it's good to find your peace. Yeah, so no pressure when you are cleaning your house. So yeah, if you're a seated mom there who doesn't have a nanny, get motivated by this video, wake up and clean your house there, guys. Yeah, so thank you for always supporting this content. Thank you for coming. For new subscribers, welcome so much. I don't take it for granted. Yeah, so hope I motivate you. Yeah, just a daily house course, you guys. Time to clean the dishes. Yeah, everywhere. So my day is just cleaning and organizing and cooking healthy, delicious meals. So get motivated, get inspired, and let's work together.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Pulling on my walls. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping close. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you find it, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Beating, hiding, Since you got me out in the open, now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
So guys, it's time to cook. I'm preparing dinner. So I have meat and we are going to have a bread before we eat. So guys, I have meat. That is boiled water there. I'm waiting it to cool so that I can put on drinking bucket. And then I'm boiling dengu there. So I'm going to have chapati, meat and dengu. So stay tuned for this meal prep for today. So that is meat I'm boiling with a pressure cooker over there. Yeah guys, so as we are just 3, me and my hubby and my toddler, so we usually cook one meal in a day. So for our meal today, we are going to have chapati, ndengu and meat. So stay tuned for this recipe and remember to subscribe to this on making vlog. Give me a positive comment and always remember to motivate me with your sweet comments in the description, in the comment section box. So yeah, if you are new, my name is Adija, mama of 3 adults connect basically on making. So if you are new, consider subscribing, hit the notification button so that when I post a video on Tuesday and Fridays at 12 p.m. you're the first one to be notified. So stay tuned for this meal prep and these healthy meals for my family. You guys can see how I usually work hard like a donkey in this house, guys. Yeah, it doesn't have a nanny. I'm on off. I'm not going to job for 1 month, so I'm here. It's me, my toddler, yeah, and my hubby. So hope you're going to enjoy the food. The chapatis are very delicious, as you can see. Of them, I'm also just see what I did. Tell me how you feel since you got me out in the open. Now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name.
shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping close. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're faded, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Being hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're faded, I've been too much on your plate. I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name. Tell me how you feel.
So guys, the food is ready there. So the chapatis are ready, and then we have that meat stew, very delicious and yummy, you guys. Yeah, and then I have ndengu over there, fried with for the ndengu I've kept coconut. So that is how we served with my hubby. So hope you have enjoyed till this far, and remember to subscribe, leave a positive comment, and tell me what you think about this our meal prepping and this vlog of the day, cleaning, organizing. Yeah guys, and everything about homemaking, you guys. Yes, so I think I did an amazing job, you guys. So hope you enjoyed. Till the next video, bye bye, and enjoy. Subscribe, like, comment, and share me out. Till then.